Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO F11, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, swipe down from top of your screen twice, and here you should be able to find your hotspot toggle on one of the pages. For me, it is located on the second page right over here. Once you see yours, first time around, I recommend holding this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings, where you will be able to customize how the mode will function, which I recommend just going in here, even if you don't want to change anything, just so you can change the password. As you can see, password will be randomly generated and it looks atrocious. I'm gonna select it and just fully get rid of it and set up my own password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, doesn't really matter. There we go. You can obviously, like I said, change other things in here, but if you don't want to, you can keep them as they are. And the way they are set by default is what could be considered as a compatibility mode, meaning hotspot will work with the widest array of devices. Now make sure you click on save if you change the password, and from there, find the toggle once more, and this time around just simply tap on it to turn it on. Now once you're done using it, you can also tap on it once more to turn it off. And checking one thing, when you enable your hotspot, you can see that it will disable your Wi-Fi. So if I were to turn it off, it will automatically re-enable it. The reason for that happening is this phone comes with only a set of antennas, so it can only either receive Wi-Fi or through those same antennas broadcast the hotspot. It cannot do both at the same time. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.